Hello guys, welcome to second day of Flutter Bootcamp. Today we will go through a tour in Android Studio IDE and then we will make an application together. Okay. I hope everyone has installed Android Studio and working properly and have run the default counter app in Flutter. We could just create new Flutter project as you've seen yesterday, then get into the console. It's taking a little bit time. In background it's creating every essential folders and files to make this app. Okay, here we are in the main.dart file. This is actually how the IDE looks like. Okay, in above this portion we see the file location, where here the main.dart file is open now. It's shown inside Flutter app, inside library folder there is main.dart, and this is also the file path, but we can't see where is main.dart. To see it, go to this button. It will automatically locates the main.dart file inside this project folder. Viewing here, this is the project for files for panel. Then you could minimize it or maximize it and adjust your file panel using this drag and dragging option. And here we there are many folders and files which is created by Android Studio when we are creating new project. Here there's a pubspec.yaml file. This is the file where we import second party libraries and packages under this Cupertino icons, and every permissions are going through this file. Moving to what's the code. If you need to see the code more, you can just minimize it. Here there is a margin here, there that numbered the lines, and it also has different features like here we have colors.blue. The color is shown up here. We could know what's color. In case of colors.blue we could know, but if you are using hash code it can't be known by ourselves, so it will be useful there. And also these icons also show up here. In margin we also have other features, like if you are writing a huge line of code, you could use this. If you are done with one part of the code, you could collapse it and close and work on the pending part. Will be useful for there. And to expand the part, but by clicking this three dots it will be expanded. It's like a closing of book and opening of a book. And in Android Studio, double slash is comment. Many of the softwares use double slash as comment, and if you select everything and use command slash, it also makes it commented. Moving forward, we have Dart analysis. This is the compile part. If there is any errors, and okay, it's not defined, color is not defined, blue showing up there. Okay, it's the compile part. It shows the errors and warnings there showing up because we installed the Dart plugin for Flutter, so it's over there. And here we have devices. The installed devices are shown in this list, and you could start a device. Just start a I'm starting a device, shows up here. Okay, and to run this application you use this play button, and while running it shows up here. It's running and under run, what's the current status and all, or shows over here. Launching main.dart on iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's in debug mode. We can also connect external devices, and I will show you how to connect that. Just first time we install this application, it will take a little bit of time. Then thereafter, if we hot restart and hot reload, it will be shown up instantaneously. Yeah, it shows it takes 2.21.1 seconds. It's a application shown yesterday by Arvind. And moving towards, it's a option to stop this application run, and it's also available over here to stop. And moving forward, we have Flutter outline. This shows the outline of our project. We have main.dart, then my app class, then my home page. We could if in case of doing a large file or large project, this will be useful to know where the key commands are, and shown there. Inside scaffold we have app bar, then container. Inside app bar we have test widget with this title. Okay, the list shown here is the widget tree, where the it shows the tree of widgets, how they are arranged and how they are stacked over. This shows over there, and I think I have covered some of the key commands in Android Studio. In moving forward, I will show if there is more contents. Okay, and one more thing just I need to add is shown up here. The text is closed over here, widget is closed over here, widget class is closed over here, and column is closed over here. If it is not showing, go to preferences, then editor, general, appearances, closing labels. It shows this this on applying this shows now there is no closing labels over here. If you need it, I prefer to have that closing labels to know where it ends and where, so it will be less mess. We could understand the code easier. Okay, I think I have covered basics of components in Android Studio. If you want to run your application on a real device, you just need a device, be it a phone, and you should make sure that the developer option is on your phone. To make the developer option on, go to about your phone section, software information, then you could find build number. You should tap on it, shows your mode has been changed to developer. Okay, we have developer option, and you should turn on the USB debugging mode. And okay, this is the setup we need to do in a device before connecting to Android Studio. Then you should connect with your computer. or laptop. Then make sure it shows connected using a data cable, not a charge only cable, and allow. Okay, then you need to you need to run the select the device. Here Samsung A51 is the device. Select the device, then apply run. It will take a little bit time. Application is on run on my phone. As you see, and running properly. It will be shown over here, adding the number of, as you have seen yesterday. It can be run on a device you have.